Good afternoon, teacher.
Yes, good afternoon, Kim. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Today, what's the weather in Vietnam now? It's
Yes.
hot. Hot? The weather in Vietnam. What's the weather in Vietnam?
Mm, it's Sunday.
It's sunny.
Give me a
Okay, yeah.
second.
Yeah. Here also it's sunny. It's sunny here. Okay, but at around 10 a.m. in the morning, it rains hard. So raining, sunny. Okay, so for today, teacher Anne will share to you this one. Let me,
Yes.
okay, so we have here,
Yes.
let us have different homes. The topic is about different homes. So we have the word,
No.
okay, it's door. Okay, next
Leaves.
one, it's leaves.
Leaves.
Okay, next
Leaves.
one,
Tree.
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 Okay, next,
Wall.
okay, it's wall. Okay,
Dog.
Wall,
roof.
Road.
roof,
Okay, what's the color of your roof?
Um, it's green.
Green. Okay. This one, we call this chimney. Are you familiar with chimney? This is chimney. Okay, it's
Pigment.
chimney. Okay, next, this is window
Window.
and
Basement.
basement
Basement.
and
Back.
balcony. Mhm. Yeah, window, basement, and balcony. Okay, so we have stair going up. We need to have stair. Next, mat
Mat.
and the grass.
Grass.
Okay. So we have here, you draw lines between the words in the boxes and picture A. Okay, so example, this is the door. Can you do that? Can you
Yes.
draw a line going to the correct pictures?
Uh,
Do you know how to draw a line?
uh, yes.
Okay, please draw a line
Like,
to the
like,
correct
like
pictures.
this.
Oh, like that. Yes, correct. Very good, Kim. To the correct picture.
Mat. Yes, teacher. Um,
Okay, finished?
um, no, I don't know where a mat in balcony.
Balcony. Okay, so here, look at that. Leaves, correct? Look at trees. Okay, wall, roof. Okay, chimney. Yes, this one. And window, basement, down. Balcony, here. This is the balcony. Okay. Stairs and the mat. Where's the mat? Okay, the mat is here. It is where the cat lie down. It's the mat. Okay. Next is grass. Okay. So you know already the different types of homes. Okay. So this one, you read and choose the best answer. Okay. Please choose the best answer. What do you think is the best answer for this one?
Uh, can we write the answer in the chat?
Okay, yes, go.
42 đang sửa mấy rồi? 2. Không sửa được đâu. Yes, teacher. I
You done?
complete. Yes.
Okay, one. Okay, please read the questions. I went to that big old house where my uncle works. The answer here is letter B. Okay, I know that place. Okay, very good. Two. Okay, they're making a movie inside the house. What is your answer, Kim?
Yes, teacher. Really?
Okay, it is letter B.
Yeah.
No. Number two, I'm still number two. They're making a movie inside the house. What is your answer?
I think how exciting.
Okay, correct. There were lots of famous people there today.
Really?
Okay, let me see your answer. Very good. Your answer is correct. Your answer for number four is C. Is your uncle in the movie?
Yes, hey.
Very good, Kim Kim. Okay. Okay, I can show you part of the movie on my phone. I can show you part of the movie on my phone.
Fantastic.
Okay, it is fantastic. Very good. Your answer are all correct. Great job, Kim. Okay. So here we have used up to 3 conversations about Sally's afternoon. Okay. Please try. Sally and Mark are talking about the things that Sally did this afternoon. What did Sally do this afternoon? Okay. Sample, Sally's uncle works in a big old house. Can you answer number 3? Okay, number 2, the answer is in here. Or you can answer in the chat box.
Yes, teacher. The people inside the house are making noises.
Making? Okay.
Noisy.
Okay, are making a
Noisy.
movie. Oh, they're making a movie inside the house.
Oh,
Okay. Sally saw, okay, here. Sally saw. Number 3, what is the answer?
Sally saw. Sally saw a lot of famous people.
Okay, Sally saw some
Oh,
famous people there. Okay, number 4. What is the answer in number 4?
um, Sally works with
With the camera man. Okay, 5.
Sally and Matt can watch back of the scary movie on Sally's phone.
Okay, on Sally's?
Phone.
Okay, on Sally's phone. Okay, they can watch movie on Sally's phone. Okay, next one. We have here. Find the differences, Kim. Please try to find the differences between A and B.
Yes. Um, can I draw?
Yes, yes.
No.
Okay, you tell me if you're done.
Um, let me see.
There were so many differences.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Um, the teacher, I think
You done?
yes.
Okay. So you can see what you can see in A and B.
Yes.
Okay, please check. Okay, first, you tell me, give me 3.
Yes.
First.
Um, mm, mm, hello, teacher.
Yes. Okay, please name. Name me, I am waiting. What about the bat? What is the difference between the bat?
Uh, I had to back. And
Oh,
because
speak.
they
Speak. You speak. What is the difference? There are 2 bats in A and 1 bat in B. Okay,
oh
another one.
uh two tray and tray.
Okay, 3 threes. Next.
Zero flower and one flower.
0 flower and 1 flower. Okay, okay. 2 more.
Uh, two window in there and one window in that.
There are.
Two window and one window.
Okay, last one.
Um, the basement and no basement.
Okay, there is a basement, there is a window in the basement, and there is no window in the basement. Okay, so this one. Okay, so talk about the differences between the pictures. There's more than one different point. Okay, please choose here. Which do you think of this picture is different? Okay, look at this one. Which of the 4 pictures you can see, Kim, that is different? Look at. Please check which is different from the picture.
Let's find the different.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, or 4. It's letter?
I don't know.
Okay, if you were gonna look at the pictures, pictures 1, picture 2, 3, and 4, which one is different?
Picture 3.
Yeah, picture 3. Oh, why it's picture 3? Yeah, you are correct. Picture 3 is different. Why it's different?
It's different the door.
Because?
It's different the door.
Okay, the different is the door. Yeah. The color of the door is yellow. Okay. The color of the 3 doors are what? Its color? Purple. Okay, blue, violet. But here, another difference aside from the aside from the color of the door, what is the other difference? It is the first picture, the boy and the girl goes up. Second, the boy go. Here, the 2 go down. So the difference is number 3 because look at the two kids or the 2 students, they are going down, not getting inside. Okay, it's going outside, not going inside. Okay, can you see, Kim? Look at the picture, Kim. Can you see? Can you see the difference? Yes. Okay, very good. So, now let us move to another topic. Oh, let us have unit 14 for this one.
Yes.
So, in unit 14, we can call here our homes. Okay, so this is now our homes. Okay, so we have person. Okay, people and the address. Okay, person, people, and the address. Okay, so it means village. Okay, can you see the village?
Downstairs.
Downstairs going down and
Upstairs.
upstairs going up. Okay, this one is apartment. Another one is countryside. Another one is town. Okay. Okay, look at the houses, the difference of each houses. Apartment, mostly apartment are in the city. Okay, countryside, look at the houses and look at the town. Now, choose the words from, okay, let us skip this one. Let us do, you listen and write about Ben's grandmother's new home, okay?
14b. Our homes. Listen and look. There is one
Wait, Kim,
example.
ha? Okay, Kim, just continue, Kim, okay?
Hi, Grandma. Are you happy in your new house?
Yes, Ben, it's great.
What color is it?
It's blue and white.
Blue and white. That's nicer than ours.
Can you see the answer? Now you listen and write. 1,
How many rooms have you got?
We've only got 6 rooms, but that's okay.
Wow, that's a lot. 6 bedrooms?
No, we've only got 2 bedrooms upstairs.
2? Oh,
2,
and can you give me your new address? I want to send you something.
Oh, is it something nice?
Yes.
Okay. I live in Cook Road at number 56.
Number 56, Cook Road. Brilliant. Thanks.
3,
And what's the name of the town, Grandma?
My new house isn't in a town, Ben. I live in a village called Tyre.
Tyre? Is that Tyre?
Yes, that's right.
4,
What's your favorite room in the new house?
My kitchen, because it's got a big window, and I can watch my chickens in the garden.
I love feeding your chickens, Grandma.
I know, and I love my kitchen.
5,
What's near your house?
There's a river near my house. You can go there and fish.
A river? Wow, that's so cool. See you next weekend then.
Yes. Bye for now, Ben.
Okay. We
Yes.
have the answer.
Yes.
Okay, number 1, we have, okay, address is Cook Road. And the name of the village, it is
Tiger.
Tyre. Okay, Tyre. And favorite room, it's kitchen.
Yeah.
And house is near where? Where is the house? It is near the river, teacher Anne. Very good, Kim Kim. Yay. Great job, Kim. Okay, this one. So, Kim, when you say the word flat, okay, the word flat and apartment are similar in meaning. Flat is generally used in British. When you say flat, an apartment is now often used instead of flat in British English. Okay, when describing new or more expensive homes, we call them apartment. Okay, so please try to answer this about yourself, Kim. Okay, now write about your home. I live in apartment, flat, or house. My address is like that. I live in, oh, you can write in the chat box your complete answer. Okay, this is about you. Okay, Kim Kim?
Yes.
Okay, go Kim.
Ủa hai mấy bạn là dạng hai. Yes, teacher.
Done?
Yes.
Okay, so I live in a house. My address is 346 Quang Trong Street. I live in a city. Very good. Our home has 10 rooms. The kitchen, 3 bathrooms, living room, 3 bedrooms, 1 workroom, and 1. Oh, you've got a big house. My favorite room is bedroom because it has air conditioner.
Yes.
And there is a park near my home. You can go there. Very good, Kim. Okay, Kim. Very good, Kim. Great job, Kim. Do you understand this, Kim? This is about our home. Okay, this one. Now, I have questions. Okay, answer the questions, huh? How many windows are there in your house? How many windows are there in your house? How many windows are there in your house? There are
A window.
there are 8 windows. How many phones are there? How many phones are there?
Yes, teacher. There there is 7 phones. There are 7 phones.
Okay, there are 7. How many? Have you got a garden?
I can use can you repeat again?
Have you got a garden?
Uh, yes, I have to garden.
Okay. Does it have a lift? Does it have a lift?
Hmm,
Does your house have a lift?
yes.
Okay, does it have a stairs?
They have to stay.
2 stairs.
Yeah,
What color is the roof?
it's green.
Okay. What is in your living room?
Um, um, I, hmm, I think my living room have have a TV, a table
Mhm.
with two with two with 4 chairs, uh, uh, a book, uh, a book, a bookshelf,
Bookshelves.
and mm, hmm, and I don't know.
Okay, so there are a lot of things that you don't know. Okay. So in the living room, there are bookshelves, TV, and a lot more. Okay. So Kim, we don't have enough time. So Teacher Ann will say goodbye, Kim. And see you, Kim, on when, Kim? Okay.
Yes.
Well, I will see you on Wednesday. Okay. Wednesday at 2 p.m. again. Wednesday and we have Wednesday and Friday. I will see you on Wednesday again. Okay? Bye, Kim. Thank you. I will give you homework. Okay? And please send the answer in the Zillow. Bye-bye.